just a quick video to try and find something out. The other day I was sent this. It's a LT77R380 slick shift kit, so you can change gear faster, which you shouldn't really on an R380 because you need to do a slow change. But that said, this came direct from Synchro to me, and I have no idea what job it's for. I don't know who sent it, I don't know what job it's for, so if you're out there and you sent it to me, can you let me know? Because I'm not sure if it's for this job I'm doing here at the moment. I'm putting this R380 back together, but there isn't a remote housing with it, you know, with this gear shift on, so I don't know where it's going to fit. It's a mystery, isn't it? So that's the one thing. The other thing was this. Remember when we got the Ashcroft's box and I opened it up the other day to show you what was in it? And I was quite surprised because there was a sweatshirt in there and a polo shirt. Now, I didn't order that, and it was obviously put in the box. But what I didn't know until I looked at the invoice that was attached to the box, they've charged £25 for the sweatshirt and $16.50 for the polo shirt. Now, I'm not sure if this is a commercial invoice for shipping for customs, so obviously everything in the box has to be accounted for, but I'm not sure if the customer's got a separate bill without these items on, because otherwise he's paid quite a bit of money for something that we didn't really want. And of course, legally, if he's paid for it, those goods are his, in my opinion. But yeah, that was a bit of a mystery. Filon électronique in Montreal. I don't know. I'd have to get in touch with the guy who sent me all the bits and pieces down, but again, he's not really sending me any emails when I ask him questions. He's not replying. Anyway, so that was a bit of a mystery, and so is the slick shift. So if you were sent the slick shift, please let me know, because I don't know what job it's for. Alright, see you later.